Hello students. So in my last video I stopped here in this paragraph. Yes, he said I stayed, you see, taking care of animals. I was the last one to leave the town of San Carlos. So here the old man was informing the soldier that he was the last person who left his town, San Carlos. He did not look like a shepherd or a herdsman. His appearance was not of a shepherd, but his appearance, his clothes were black, dusty, and his grey, dusty face, and his steel rimmed spectacles, and said, "What animals were they?" So here the soldier was thinking, seeing the appearance, he was thinking about the old man's personality. Now students, here I want to like you to underline the word color black and grey. By using the words black and grey, the narrator is suggesting that the atmosphere is sad and gloomy. So here it means that the extent to which the old man was destroyed means he was not only emotionally and physically, he was very disturbed. Now let's begin. Various animals, he said. When the soldier put the question that what animals were they, then the old man replied, various animals, and shook his head. I had to leave them, because here he is showing his disappointment that he was helpless and he was forced, because of the war destruction, he was forced to leave his animals. I was watching the bridge and the African looking country of the Ebro Delta and wondering how long now it would be before we would see the enemy, and listening all the while for the first noises that would signal that ever mysterious event called contact. And the old man still sat there. So I have already told you students that the narrator cum soldier was following his duty of observing the approach of enemy beyond the bridge. The atmosphere was much tensed due to the heavy firing from the enemy side, and you can underline this line, and listening all the while for the first noises that would signal that ever mysterious event called contact, and the old man was still sat there. So this line suggests that the enemy is somewhere nearby, and the soldier is looking to pick up the noises which he was trained to pick up, either as a soldier or as a war correspondent. So now he was also disturbed because he was much worried about the old man who was still sitting there and making no movement. Now again the soldier asked, what animals were they? I asked. There were 3 animals altogether, he explained. There were 2 goats and a cat, and then there were 4 pairs of pigeons. Students, I want you here to write down something. The use of these 3 types of animals, actually Hemingway symbolically had used these animals. Like for example, I will tell you that pigeons, for example, represent peace and harmony, and the fact that they fly away from the war. Afterward, I will when you will read then you will get. So is the reference to the refugees who flee from the war to a safer place. Next you find the reference of cat, the cat being a symbol of independence, does not need anybody to survive. Next is the goat, which is symbolical or which is used as a sacrificial animal, and this represents the old man and his situation. Understood students? So goat is used for sacrificing, so it represents the old man and his situation. The cat is a symbol of independence. Pigeons are the symbol of peace and harmony. Next, and you had to leave them, I asked. Now the soldier asked that you had to leave them, old man. Yes, because of the artillery. So, here the old man who was in charge of various animals, and he had to leave them due to the untimely war, and captain who had asked him to leave because of the artillery. Artillery means the use of guns. A group, an army, those who use gun. The captain told me to go because of the artillery. Already I told you. You have no family, I asked. Then the soldier is the speaker here. Watching the far end of the bridge where a few last carts were hurrying down the slope of the bank, he was engaged in conversation with the old man, but at the same time he was very careful and watchful at the end of the bridge that whether all the carts were moving or hurrying up to cross the bridge as fast as possible. Old man, no, he said, only the animals, I stated. Now with this line we can understand that old man had no one in the family except these animals. The cat, of course, will be alright. A cat can look out for itself, but I cannot think what will become of the others. So here old man already is confirmed that the cat is a symbol of independence, and it can independently look after itself without depending on anybody else. Then the speaker, what politics have you? I asked. Underline politics. Here politics means political view. I am without politics, he said. I am 76 years old. I have come 12 kilometers now, and I think now I can go no farther. This is not a good place to stop, I said. So here students, I want you to write something. Students, see, what politics have you? This question has been asked by the narrator to the old man when he was on his duty to look for the advancement of enemy from across the bridge. When everybody were hurrying to save their lives, an old man was sitting very carelessly at the same place, and he was not at all interested to move from there. So he asked the old man about his political view. Then here actually with this question we have an underlying message. What message? When the old man replies that I am without politics, I am 76 years old. Actually we can see that as old man is a representative of all those civilians who suffer from the war. So who were the victims of war. So what we get to know that civilians of a country live for their family or the animals they take care of, they love. So they are least bother about any political views or political wars. All what they want is to lead their day-to-day life in peace. And looking after the animals gives a meaning to the life of the old man. And it is a tragedy that he was forced, he was not satisfied with all these war matters, and he was forced to leave his own native town, to leave his animals because of the heavy firing during the Spanish Civil War. I hope students you have understood this context, and it is very important also. Now let's move. I will wait a while, he said, and then I will go. Where do the trucks go? Towards Barcelona. So the old man answered that I should wait a while and then I will move. Means he is taking rest. Then he asked that where do the trucks go? Soldier answered, towards Barcelona, I told him. Old man, I know no one in that direction, means he is unfamiliar with that place, he said. But thank you very much. Thank you again very much. Now, students, see here that the old man had thanked him again and again. Why? Because the old man was too much attached with his town and animals, and he was also feeling very lonely. When the narrator showed some concern for him, he felt very happy and grateful, and he also conversed with him for a long time. So this made the old man that someone was there with him, someone was standing beside him who cared for him too. That is why the old man thanked the narrator or the soldier again and again. So students, please go through this page. I shall continue the next page, the remaining paragraphs in my next video.